All right, we've got a perfect one for your Sunday morning. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Class Cooking, is here with.
Hawaii. Springtime.
Yes.
This is springy.
Yes.
These are orange marmalade cream cheese muffins. Oh, really a nice recipe, Mario. All right, first thing we got to do is get this crazy thing. All right, now we're set. All right, we've got the cream cheese filling. This goes in halfway.
Okay.
This is cream cheese, sugar, egg, and a little bit of orange zest. So in a bowl we have the proverbial salt, baking powder, flour. Now what goes on now is everything you can put in. We're using oil. It calls for vegetable oil. I got to tell you, Mario, the new kid on the block is this avocado.
Avocado,
That's
yeah.
the best.
Okay.
I mean, that's becoming the hit of the century. All right, so milk. There it is, orange marmalade. Get a decent one. They have some really beautiful ones in the store. 1 egg and some granulated sugar. So now we're just going to kind of homogenize this up until we get a pretty smooth batter. Very simple. We're going to put we're eyeballing about maybe a tablespoon in the bottom of the cup. And then we put in a good dollop of the cream cheese. And then
more on
fill
top.
it with more of this. You're going to probably get 9 to 10 out of this recipe. And then they look low, but they puff up. You get some they're really good. And I finish them off with an orange glaze, orange and confectionery sugar, orange juice, some zest. These are really nice, Mario.
Some pretty sprinkles on top to make it look
just to make it jump out a little bit.
A pop of orange, so good.
Yeah, I love working with orange. It called for like a half a teaspoon. I put like almost 2 teaspoons in. I mean, you can't overkill with citrus. Orange and/or lemon works out like a charm. So you're not going to overkill it. And of course, the confectionery sugar and orange juice, because you got a beautiful orange left with no zest, and just zest it up and go for it.
Cream cheese makes it nice.
Yeah, it really is.
Tasty.
Thank you.
And what do we call it?
Orange marmalade cream cheese muffins.
What's on our website?
Turn10.com.
And we'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.